Cause no the fuck I didn't. No the fuck I didn't.
Who the fuck? Who made these right here? Who made them? Oh, let me speak proper. Who created these substances? Because they taste very Maleficent.
Mary Jane, will you marry me? Mary Jane!
Just said no!
Why would you do that?
To prove to myself that you'll always be
Liar!
Mary Jane.
Don't do it.
Boys, mates,
So I don't know if you've ever had to experience the pure misfortune of walking past a horde of teenage boys in the mall. And not just any teenage boy, oh no. I'm talking about the ones whose entire dialect revolves around edgy humor. And I know I shouldn't care about what guys who wash their ass less times that they've not made jokes about minorities say about me, but there are just some times when words can get to you. And that always seems to happen when I'm on my 15-minute break at work. I'll literally just be eating, doing my thing, and I shit you not, this group of guys will just straight up yell across the mall at me. And at this point, I've just kind of developed a response, and that is, well, at least I get more bitches than you. And the funniest thing about that is that I haven't kissed a girl since I was 15, and I'm about to turn 18. And yet that statement still rings true. Because I don't know any girl who's into a guy that looks like they rim rice gum. Because here's the thing, even pick-me girls have standards. And trust me, no girl wants to listen to you try and freestyle rap.
Okay. Why'd you have to bring that up?
You have to potty before you get back in the truck. You do, I'm sorry. It's just a rule, baby girl. It is just a rule. You've got to potty. You feel safe right there by me? Yeah. You got to potty, baby girl. Come on. Come on. Are you back to potty? I'll stop the camera.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy. Come here, Squishy. Come here, little Squishy.
When you almost spill $100 glass of wine. That's the, wow, that was close face.
Part 4.1 of what not to do in a sex store. Let's have a quick story time about insecure women coming in with their man. Recently, I had a couple come in and they had some questions about a specific product that was at the front counter. So I came from around the counter to speak with them. I had just finished putting lotion on right before they came in because I just finished washing my hands. I come around the counter and she gets like a whiff of my lotion and she's like, you really felt that it was necessary to smell good in order to come down here and talk to us? And I was like, no, I just finished washing my hands, so I put lotion on. And she was like, baby girl, we got 3 kids, he's not going nowhere. So I looked at her and I said, ma'am, do you want this vaginal tightening cream or not? Because I can go.
What famous acting duo would play you guys?
Think about it. There's a very obvious, like...
Barack Obama and Joe Biden.
Young Joe Biden was fine.
Yeah.
We all saw the picture. Y'all saw the picture.
Oh, okay.
Boy, he was fine.
Cut in the photo of young Joe Biden.
He fine.
Yeah. This girl.
I'm taking the hanger off my ceiling. It's not on the ceiling anymore. Actually, I'm putting the hanger back on my ceiling. I got multiple comments from people saying that it's their emotional support ceiling hanger, and I don't want to take that away from anyone.
Hey, Morgan, right?
Yeah, I know you don't know me. I'm Joel. I'm one of the associate pastors here at Bethel Mosaic Covenant Individual Action Word Assembly of God Baptist. Yeah, so I wanted to come up to you real quick. About a month ago, I was praying to the Lord about my future wife, and He actually gave me a dream, a vision, if you will, about what she would look like. And I mean, you gotta imagine my surprise. I saw you across the church, and you are the exact woman that He put in my vision. Yeah, so I guess God told us we're gonna get married, so I wanted to come up and introduce myself. I guess we got a lot to talk about. Want to go grab coffee after sermon today?
Well, I'll be goddamn, brother. I'm a proud American. Salute to the troops.
Cocaine has been used today in my own restaurants, and this is on a day that they shouldn't be doing coke. It's fucking Sunday.
Someone that got canceled that I don't think should have been canceled was Eve from Adam and Eve, the biblical story. Are we familiar? Like, imagine being put on earth with one other person, just you, a bunch of trees, and one other naked white guy who's like, hey, I guess we should probably get started with this human making thing, right? She's like, really? And she can't even go to God and be like, please make one other person. I'm begging you, make one other creature, just anything, please, so I don't have to talk to him all the time. I'm with him all the time. He's so annoying, because then God would be like, well, I made Adam, so you're actually insulting my work. There's really no winning for her. And then to have the Bible be like, yeah, everything's ruined because Eve ate a fruit. What was her other option? And then to finally be able to give birth and be like, finally, I can get some more people in this world. And then have 2 sons who try to kill each other. I mean, Mama can't win. Like, she has no win.
If you keep running like that, you're gonna slip and fall and break your penis off. I did my duty as a grandmother.
And when you hear the butter sizzling, you know. You freaking know. It's about to be good, dude.
I'm gonna let God fix it. Because if I fix it, I'm going to jail.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
I think I could be an Olympic swimmer. I think I could do the breaststroke. I think I could stroke a breast.
You have an anxiety disorder. Okay, so I'm going to put you on 50 milligrams of antidepressants. That's 5 beats, antidepressants. That does sound really stressful, so we'll tap it out. Your parents are getting divorced.
He ruined my dream journal! I did not!
Sir? Sir? Sir, are you there?
So, what seems to be the problem, Mr. Tentacles?
It all started when I was born.
I just saw how a BBL is done against my will on the For You page, and let me tell you, they just saw you open. Back and forth. Like, it was really, like, medieval and dark.
It took me a while to realize that you wanted to be me.
Asked my mama for a Japanese soda, and I got Starbucks. And a cake pop? A $2.50 cake pop?
Hey, get out of my sandwich. No.
Got your clit.
People want to know how we kiss. How do you kiss me?
I've never kissed a girl in my life. I'm a virgin.
Can you show everyone how we smooch?
We don't, silly. That's for married couples.
Come on!
But we're not together.
We have to kiss. Come.
My mom is gonna kill me if she finds out I kissed a girl.
Just try. Just like pretend. Come here. Pretend.
No, I can't. I only kiss guys.
Hi, I'm New Year's Eve or New Year's, and I think that I think Birthday Girl is gonna be the drunkest. Yeah.
I'm St. Patty's Day, and I think that New Year's Eve is going to be the most drunk.
Hi, I am May the 4th, and I think that birthday will be the most drunk. I'm Valentine's Day, and I think that May the 4th is gonna get the drunkest.
Hey, I'm Easter, and I think I'm gonna be the drunkest.
Hi, I'm Birthday Girl, and I think that 4th of July is going to be the most drunk, because I'm forcing him to drink tequila with me.
I'm Earth Day, and I think that Easter is going to be most drunk tonight.
I'm Easter, and I think that Valentine's Day is going to be the drunkest tonight.
Shay.
Full Metal Alchemist. Full Metal Alchemist.